Is your iPhone losing charge quickly and you want to extend its battery life? I'll tell you how to keep your battery in a good shape. Watch the video to the end, you will get useful tips. First thing we can do is go in settings. From here, find battery section. Then go in battery health and charging and make sure to enable optimized battery charging by toggling on the switch so it will light up green. This will help your device reduce the load on the battery while charging, especially overnight, by learning your usage habits. Also, avoid discharging the device below 20%. Charge it to 80 and disconnect it from charging. Use widgets or simply monitor the charge level to ensure that it does not exceed these values. Of course, make sure that you are using an original Lightning cable or Type-C cable and power adapter from Apple. This will help avoid the risks of overcharging or battery damage due to incompatible charges. Of course, refrain from heavy use of your device, especially gaming, while it is charging. It is best to use your iPhone at a minimal level of activity or leave it alone. The next thing we can do is to disable some of the location services. So let's go ahead and open settings again. Now find privacy and security, go in location services, and then you will see this list of apps which are using location. So you can tap on any app and choose option never. Also, you can go in system services and here disable such features as compass, calibration, and other not needed to save battery power. And now let's go back in main settings. Then find general. And here pick background app refresh. So here disable refresh for not needed apps by toggle off the switch like that. This, as you can see, may help preserve battery life. So just toggle off the switch like that. Or you can just click right here and turn everything off. And lastly, avoid leaving your iPhone in very cold or hot places, such as the interior of a car in summer or outdoors in winter. Temperature extremes can damage the battery. And that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.